Congratulations on completing 30 days of SQL learning. You now understand queries, filters, joins, functions, and concepts. But real confidence in SQL comes from applying it to real systems. That's why from day 31 to day 40, we move into complete SQL case studies. You will work with real world scenarios like e commerce sales, hospital management, banking systems, inventory, airlines, retail stores, hotels, and universities. Each case study will teach you how to think like a database professional, designing tables, writing meaningful queries, and solving real business problems. This final 10-day journey will transform your SQL knowledge into real world skill. By day 40, you will not just know SQL, you will be ready to use it with confidence. Let us begin the final chapter of your SQL mastery. Welcome to day 33. Today, we will work on a hospital management system case study. We will apply SQL concepts to manage patients, doctors, appointments, and treatments. Our hospital database has four tables: patients, doctors, appointments, and treatments. Together, they track patient visits, doctor assignments, and treatments. This query joins patients, appointments, and doctors to show which patient met which doctor and when. Aggregations let us analyze revenue by specialty. This query sums treatment cost grouped by doctor specialty. Having filters groups after aggregation. This query shows doctors whose treatments generated more than 50,000 in revenue. Window functions let us rank patients by number of visits. This query calculates total visits per patient and assigns ranks. We can save queries as views. This view lists frequent patients who visited more than 3 times. Transactions ensure consistency. For example, when scheduling an appointment and recording a treatment, both must succeed together. Here are some mini challenges. Find the top 5 patients by visits. Show specialties with the average treatment cost about 10,000. Create a view for high revenue doctors and write a transaction for scheduling an appointment with the treatment. Your assignment: build a hospital dataset with the patients, doctors, appointments, and treatments. Write queries to join tables, aggregate revenue, rank patients, create views, and use transactions for scheduling. To summarize, today you applied joins, aggregations, having, window functions, views, and transactions in a hospital management system case study. Tomorrow, we will work on a banking system case study.